Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn how to update our table after the insertion of new department. See here, if I enter any record here, then click save. Here we have the message inserted successfully. After the successful information, this table should be refreshed, but it's not displaying the result. So we can do this by using lifecycle method in department component. Okay, here we have many lifecycle methods. Here we'll use component did update method. This dot refresh list. We call this function inside this lifecycle method. This method will be executed whenever the any state or property is changed related to this component department component. When this method called, we simply refresh the list. Okay, now let's check it in browser by adding new department, commerce, then click save. Here we have the message. Click OK. See here, the table has refreshed. Okay. Now in our next video, we'll remove this alert message. Instead, we will use snack bar. Let's see. We have one problem with this alert box. Commerce 123. Then click save. Okay, if I didn't click on this OK, other things will not work. I can't close this pop-up. I can't do anything in this page. So we have to take action on this OK button mandatorily. Okay, so the issue, uh, I think this is not a user friendly. So in our next video, we'll remove this alert box with something called snack bar. Okay, see you there in next video. Bye.